Hi, I'm Felina New. Welcome to my newest listing at 734 Haney Street in Palm Bay, Florida. This home is a brand new construction ready for you to move in, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with no HOA. Come and take a look. This room is special because you can make this into your great room or your dining room. I mean, look at this room, it's huge. You've got plenty of space here where you can turn this into a fitness area, an office, or a sitting area with still lots of room for a nice king-size bed. And I have to mention this large master closet.